Today we will bring you a solution to decrypt Outlook emails encrypted with either SMIME or OpenPGP type encryption without a PST repair tool. The software helps in repairing corrupted, damaged or inaccessible PST files, and helps in decrypting SMIME and OpenPGP encryptions from Outlook emails. Now let's check out the working process. The tool opens with a simple yet user-friendly interface. Here you can start adding PST file by clicking Add File button from the top menu. Now another window appears with further options to choose. Here you can choose either Select File option or the Search File option. Now let's choose the Select File option in our example, and proceed further. Click Browse button to choose the desired PST file. After selecting the file, click Open button. And you can select the Remove Encryption option, if your emails are encrypted with either SMIME or OpenPGP type encryption. Here you can see a small window appears to add encryption details. You can choose either single key or multiple key option, depending on your requirements. Now let's proceed with the multiple key option selected. In order to add multiple keys, there is the CSV option provided. Click the sample CSV file hyperlink below. Now you can see further options. Corresponding to the encryption type, enter the correct key path in the field option. Then enter the password in the adjacent field. After entering the details, save the CSV file. Then click Browse button to select the CSV file from the saved location. And click Open. And click Done. And below you can see the Quick Scan option. And the Advanced Scan option. You can choose Advanced Scan Mode option, if the file is highly corrupted. Now let's proceed with the Advanced Scan Mode option selected. After choosing the desired options, click Add button below to proceed. Now you can see the file scanning in progress, and after the process completes successfully, click Yes to save the scanned files, or else click No to proceed. Then you can see the folders will appear on the left side of the screen. The software provides another useful feature: the Load Scan option. This option lets you choose any previously scanned files which is already saved. Simply select the file path and hit Load button. And then choose the desired folder. And the mails will start appearing on the right side. Below you can see different mail view options of any selected mail, like Hex View, Properties View, Message Header, MIME View, HTML View, RTF, and the attachments of any chosen mail. Now let's check out the method of performing selective mail export. Choose the corresponding checkbox option to select desired mails, then right-click and hit Save button. And then Export option window appears with further options to choose. Export options will be further explained in detail during the bulk export. Now let's check out the method of exporting mails folder-wise and batch. Click Save button from the top navigation menu bar and then Export option window appears, with further options to choose. Select desired folders from the left pane. Then on the left-hand side, you can see different export type options to choose. Now let's proceed with the PST option selected. Clicking on the Advanced Settings button will open another window with advanced options to choose from the PST settings. You can choose Split option, in order to split output PST files according to different size. And the Date Filter option lets you filter mails according to certain date range. And then from the Categories option below, you can choose the desired options to export. After making the selections, click Save button below to proceed. And click OK. After that, click Browse button to choose a destination folder to save the output files. And click OK. Choosing Maintain Folder Hierarchy option lets you maintain the folder hierarchy intact. And if you don't want empty folders to be exported, you can uncheck this option and check the next option below. If Outlook is installed on your system, you can check the Use Outlook option. Selecting Ignore System Folders option lets you ignore system folders from getting exported. After selecting the desired options, click Export button below to initiate the exporting process. And after the process completes successfully, click OK. Now you can see the Export Report window appears with complete export report. Click Save button below to save the export report in CSV format. In this video, you saw the successful method of how to decrypt Outlook emails encrypted with OpenPGP type encryption. Now let's check out the output files. Open the destination folder in which you have saved the files. And here you can see the output PST file. Open the PST file in Microsoft Outlook to check further details. And here, you can see the decrypted emails, and other data as well. Go to the product page to purchase the product. Don't waste time. Purchase full version, and get the full license features. If any query, feel free to contact us. Subscribe channel for latest updates and offers.